As we all know, thousands of people are losing their jobs every day. And companies are blaming on one thing, AI. But the twist, not everyone agrees. Some people say AI is replacing jobs, but others say this was anyways gonna happen. And the scary part, this might just be the beginning. So the real question is AI really replacing jobs? Or is it being used as an excuse? Hello and welcome back to the channel. Right now, something very interesting is happening in the tech world. Different countries, different companies, but the same pattern. And the reason or explanation is AI everywhere. But if you look at it in deeper sense, then there is something else. Let's start with what's actually happening. Companies like Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft, all huge companies are cutting jobs. In fact, Oracle alone reportedly laid off thousands of employees, with some estimates going up to 12,000 in India. And what's shocking is not just the layoffs, it's how they are happening. Can you believe people getting emails early in the morning, sometimes 6 a.m., stating, "Your role has been eliminated. Today is your last working day." No conversation, no warning, just like that. It's over. And this isn't just one company. Across the industry, over 52,000 tech layoffs already in 2026. And AI is being cited as a major reason. So naturally, people are starting to panic. Now let's look at one side of the story. Companies are saying AI is actually getting job done faster. It is making teams more efficient. So only part of a team can actually get the job done. And that makes sense. Today, AI can write code, handle customer support, analyze data, and in many cases, do it faster than humans. For example, one engineer today can do work that earlier needed a team of 3 or 4. Customer support bots can handle thousands of queries without human teams. And this isn't just theory. In some reports, AI has been cited in up to 25% of layoffs in certain months. So from this angle, it really looks like AI is replacing jobs. So it's not just about people losing jobs. It's about fewer people being needed. But here's where things get interesting. Not everybody believes this. Some experts call this something else, AI washing, which basically means companies are using AI as an excuse. Because if you look back during COVID, companies hired a lot, like a lot. Huge teams, rapid expansion, and now they are correcting that. In fact, some analysts say many companies are still overstaffed by 25% or more. So these layoffs might not be about AI replacing jobs, but about fixing past mistakes. And there's another layer to this, something most people don't notice. AI is very expensive. Companies are spending billions on data centers, AI infrastructure, advanced chips. So where does that money come from? Usually by cutting cost. And the biggest cost to any companies are mostly their employees. Some experts even say companies are laying off employees to fund their AI investments. So instead of saying AI is replacing jobs, we probably can rephrase it something like jobs are being cut to build AI. So now we have three possibilities. AI is replacing jobs, companies are fixing overhiring, companies are cutting costs to invest in AI. And the truth could actually be a mix of all three. Because the industry itself is changing. We are moving from big teams doing repetitive work to smaller teams working with AI. In fact, routine jobs are reducing. New roles are emerging. Skill requirements are changing. And this is where it gets real. Because it's impacting everyone. Freshers with few entry-level roles. Mid-level engineers are seen as expensive. And even engineers are facing automation. And on top of that, the way layoffs are happening is also changing. More automated, less human, emails instead of conversations, which honestly feels a bit cold. And the scariest part, people don't know if their role will even exist next year. So, in the end, this isn't just about layoffs, it's about transition, a shift in how companies work. So, maybe the real question isn't, will AI take your job? Maybe the real question should be, are you ready to work with AI? Because AI is not just replacing work, it's changing what work even means. And for people who adapt are the ones who are going to stay. For more such informative and interesting videos, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.